Let me show you a MindStudio agent that generates a video for an advertisement, such as a short-form video content creator would, based on an existing video that's already online. Suppose that you're someone like myself who is not in advertising, is not an expert at designing viral videos for ads. I can find one that I like that is even going viral on any platform like TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and then use that to make a video for myself based on my own product. So let me show you how this works. First, let me show you the video that we will base this on. This is a YouTube short. This is actually not a real person video. This is made likely with Sora 2. And we're going to make our video also using Sora 2, which is in MindStudio.
This is not sugar. This is not ice cream. This is protein. Dr. Muscle, whey protein. No bloat, no excuses. Protein isn't just for gym bros, it's for glow-ups. Honestly, I drink it even if I wasn't working out. Try Dr. Muscle protein now. This is not...
Okay, so that's what we're going to use as our reference video. So I have a fake product that I will show you when I actually run this. But first, let me do a video walkthrough of this for you. What this does is first... Actually, let me come over here first, come to the startup, and if I was running this for the first time, I would be entering my company name here. And this is as a startup variable in onboarding because your company name will not be changing every time you run this workflow, this agent. So that's why it's here. When you then initially run this, you provide your company, your product name, your product description, the call to action for your product, who is your target audience, the URL to display in the video for your product, and then the reference video, which is add URL, and then lastly, the video alterations you want to the video, to the reference video for your output video for your product. So now what we use is a download video block that downloads this video. Notice I have this note here that is a reminder to use the download video block first before you use the analyze video block. Do not use the analyze video block by itself. You will have an error. But this works perfectly well if you use the download video block first, and you can use this block on TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, any other sort of platform like that. And then you save that to a output variable, and then you reference that output variable in the analyze video block. And here I have this prompt to return strict JSON with the scene description, camera angles, transitions, voice transcript, music style, and on-screen text. And I constrain this to 7 seconds, even though Sora 2 can output 12 seconds of video, because sometimes the text runs long in the dialogue, and that way it gives it some buffer to still contain all the text in that video output. Then it generates a video based on this detailed block, prompt, that shows, based on this analyze video, here's my company name, product description, all these different details, and now output another video based on my product information. And then it uses a generate asset block to display that video in a custom interface. This user input block also has a custom interface that you can design directly right here in MindStudio. So now I will run this and let's see how this works. I'm going to open the published version. I don't need to enter my company name again. So now so you don't see me typing, I have copied these to a separate file, and I will just paste them here. So now I've entered all the information I need to generate my own video based on that reference video. I have this fake product called Mocha Plant Protein Powder. It is mocha flavored with lupini and hemp proteins instead of the whey protein like the reference video has. And then this is also for exercise health conscious enthusiasts who want plant-based sources and who also love coffee. The call to action is plant-based complete protein that builds you better. I have this fake URL to the fake product. And now this is the important piece. Here is the reference at URL that I just showed you. And then my video alterations that I want to make in my video based on, but keeping different, the camera angles and everything else that are in the reference video. So I will now run this. And this will take about 3 minutes to run. So I will pause the video right now and and we'll resume once the whole final output is ready. Okay, now we have our output for our video. This is our new video ad based on my fake competing product that is plant-based to the whey-based protein powder that I used as a reference video. You can design great-looking user interfaces using the generate asset block as well as the user input block that you saw. You can put like your company logo here. I'm using the MindStudio logo. I put any text you want, reference your website. So you can design great-looking custom interfaces natively in MindStudio, and great for your own marketing, company marketing. So use this. So now let me play this video, and let's see how this came out.
This is not coffee, nor a frappuccino. Mocha plant protein. No bloat, no excuses. Plant-based complete protein that builds you better.
Hey, it came out pretty well. At least for a competing product. So you could see that it does exactly what was intended. It has the same camera angles, same look and feel as the reference video, but you can see here that it is referencing my product, and even, Sora generated this fake packaging, which doesn't exist, and has the coffee references throughout. So this is great. You could use this for your own products and or to market yourself. If you find a reference video that you like, you can use it and then build something on top of it. So I'm going to share this with anyone who makes a comment to the post that I will make on this video, and I will DM you the remix link to this agent if you're interested. I hope you found this video interesting and informative and entertaining at the same time. Thank you for watching.